Now that our chicken has been all mixed up with our shoots and our mushrooms, you can see our mushrooms are starting to saute down a little bit, but all the liquid is gone. So we're going to go and give our cooking sauce another stir to make sure that all of the cornstarch has been broken up. And that should be fairly thick. We're just going to pour that all the way around. Just going to let this sit here, and while we're letting that come up to temperature, come back to our snow peas, and we're going to be trimming off the little white edges. And if you see a brown spot on the other side, give that a trim. So we're going to be putting these in last because we want them to have a nice crunch to them. We'll discard our ends, come back to our chicken, and the sauce has started to cook. So we're going to throw our snow peas in here and turn them to coat. And we're heating this on a low temperature to make sure that this sauce gets nice and thick. But if it's a little too thick for you, that's why we've reserved some of our vegetable stock. So we can pour a little bit of that in here. You can see it's already reacting with our sauce. We'll just let this go until our snow peas are nice and heated.